Roger Kerner, and I've been in leadership and directorship roles for over 30 years. I've traveled to other states and been through numerous leadership academies and trainings, and this training is the best I've ever been to. It's real world. It gives you real things to take back to your team to teach. There's no fluff, there's no crazy catch lines. It's all meaningful and very useful.
We're in this position for a reason. We coach for a reason, because we're here to challenge you, to push you. I know you're in leadership roles. I know you've been here 33 years. I don't really care about that. I care about, are you serving the people? Are you doing it with a level of intentionality? Are you being the very best leader that you can possibly be? Because I can go out on a limb and say, I guarantee you that it's more inside of you.
My name is September Preston, and I'm at Warren County JDC. This was a great experience. These two young men, they gave an awesome word. Their seminar was excellent. I recommend them to everybody. You must get a hold of them to get the real deal. They engage you all the time in the session, and it's just awesome.
But oftentimes we have to understand what role we are playing in the things we complain about the most. I'll say that one more time. Sometimes we have to understand the role we are playing in the things we complain about the most. We may be complicit in that.
Hi, I'm Jason Lanzo. I'm the superintendent at Cuyahoga County Juvenile Detention Center in Cleveland, Ohio. And I just want to say that the experience I had here at the conference was outstanding. The energy was high, looking in on oneself and what you're willing to be and willing to do, and be a part of everything, not just leading from afar, but in the mix, was excellent. And I can't say enough good about the conference. And I'm just thankful that they came and spoke to us.
But I wouldn't be doing my job if I'm not pushing you to be the very best that you can possibly be, professionally and personally. Because nobody wants to be a great leader and then go home and be a terrible spouse. The problem is, we're not intentional about these goals. We get busy with life, we mask ourselves behind work and family, and we don't even make these goals that we can be the very best versions of ourselves, but then we get mad at our staff because they're not living up to what they're supposed to live up to.
All right, my name is Kelvin Burrell. I am the superintendent of Franklin County Juvenile Intervention Center in Columbus, Ohio. Some takeaways that I learned, my leadership style, you know. I found out I'm an eagle, so I can be stubborn at times. My girlfriend tells me that all the time, but I never seen it until I actually put it on paper. And it's about SMART goals, you know. I'm very aware of all the goals, but oftentimes I'm one of the people that forget making it timely. So that was some key takeaways that I learned from this awesome conference.